Assalamualaikum, it's me Tuba Kazmi. Welcome to my channel Educational Exposure. Today we will discuss about coronavirus 19 which has spread globally now, resulting in the ongoing 2019-20 coronavirus. Coronavirus pandemic. Pandemic is not a word to use lightly or carelessly. In this time, I think every person, including men, women, children, everyone knows about this virus. COVID-19 is the disease caused by the new coronavirus that emerged in China in December 2019. It is an infectious disease caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 SARS. The disease was first identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, the capital of China's Hubei. The word was introduced by a group of virologists in November 16, 1968. A person who studies viruses is called virologist. So it is clear that name is not designed in 2020. American scientists warned about this pestilence to American president. Coronavirus are zoonotic, meaning they are transmitted between animals and people. Virus can be living or non-living. If it is outside the body, it is called non-living, and inside the body called living. If we look at its structure, COVID-19 structure, we will come to know that it's a RNA virus. Any of a group of RNA viruses that cause a variety of disease in humans and other animals. COVID-19 basically stands for Coronavirus Disease 2019. Most people infected with the COVID-19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. Coronavirus other names: 2019 novel coronavirus acute respiratory disease. Second is novel coronavirus pneumonia. Number 3, Wuhan pneumonia. Number 4, Wuhan coronavirus. Number 5, coronavirus or other for SARS coronavirus 2.